think a lot of players take on the identity of the coach and coaching staff.
Yes.
Somebody's got something bad to say about all of us.
Yeah.
So how much time are you going to dwell on that? And I think, isn't it easy to be offended, and doesn't that grow when it's like, well, it's probably one or two people that you've taken the time to dig deep into. So it's funny. We're saying that about student athletes, and yet as coaches, we're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
These things, though, as a coach, I think are non-negotiable. We can model these things regardless of what height, speed, whatever you got.